Chris Wheeler, British Columbia field reporter, and we're in the Thompson-Okanagan region, and we've come in to explore Wells Gray Provincial Park right by Clearwater, BC. We're going to start off with checking it out with a bird's eye view.
I'm your pilot for today, and what we are doing, we make scenic flights over Wells Gray Park. Wells Gray Park is quite huge, about 5,500 square kilometers. Then we go up to the Dawson Fall, to the Helmken Fall, and fly over to the Caribou Mountains. There are mountains with about 2,500 meters elevation. On your right now, Leo Island. Leo Island is in Myrtle Lake, and then we have to go slowly back.
Well, that was spectacular to see Wells Gray Provincial Park from the air. Now we're going to go up close, hike into some waterfalls we just saw.
This is just one of the over 20 waterfalls in Wells Gray Provincial Park. And right behind me is Mole Falls, and you get to climb right behind the waterfall. How often do you get to do that? Awesome! What'd you think? Fantastic!
Just checking out Spahats Falls and Helmken Falls, beautiful places in Wells Gray Park. There's lots of lakes, there's canoeing, lots of activities. You can camp in Wells Gray. Just a beautiful, beautiful park. And I definitely recommend a don't miss is Helmken Falls. You can come and take some gorgeous photos. You've never seen anything like it before.
This is our first time to the falls, and we had no idea that this was even here, and it's simply amazing. It's breathtaking.
And everyone's loving seeing Wells Gray Provincial Park here, and of course getting their picture in front of Helmken Falls at the end of the day.